Trains that operate between the countryside and the city play a crucial role in the economy and industrial development, especially in the transportation of minerals. These trains are a vital artery connecting rural areas where natural resources are extracted with urban centers where they are processed and used. In rural regions, deposits of minerals such as iron, copper, and coal are abundant, and their extraction is essential for various industries. Trains enable the efficient transport of large quantities of these materials, optimizing time and reducing costs compared to other transportation methods. Moreover, their capacity to carry heavy loads is fundamental, as minerals are often bulky and heavy. Today, we will explore in depth the importance of railway systems in the development of a country. We will analyze how these infrastructures not only facilitate the transportation of people and goods, but also drive economic growth and regional connectivity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can continue enjoying more videos related to infrastructure in Peru. The construction of railway tracks is a fundamental aspect of the development of railway transportation, playing a crucial role in the economy, mobility, and sustainability of modern societies. Below are some of the main reasons why railway infrastructure is of vital importance. Connection and accessibility tracks are the foundation on which trains move, facilitating the connection between cities, regions, and countries. This transportation network allows people and goods to move efficiently, shortening distances and improving access to markets, services, and job opportunities. A well-developed railway infrastructure can transform the economic dynamics of a region, driving growth and sustainable development. Efficiency in freight transport trains are one of the most efficient methods for transporting large volumes of goods. The construction of dedicated tracks for freight transport allows for optimized logistics and reduced operational costs. Tracks are designed to withstand the weight and vibrations of freight trains, ensuring safe and reliable transport of products from minerals to food and manufactured goods. Environmental sustainability rail transport is generally more sustainable than other modes of transport, such as road or air transport. The construction of railway tracks contributes to a reduction in the carbon footprint, as trains can move more cargo per kilometer traveled with lower energy consumption. By promoting the use of trains instead of trucks for freight transport, it contributes to decreasing traffic congestion and improving air quality in cities. Economic development investment in track construction has a multiplier effect on the local and national economy. It generates employment not only during the construction phase, but also in the operation and maintenance of railway infrastructure. Moreover, improving railway connections can attract investments in sectors such as tourism, agriculture, and manufacturing, contributing to the economic growth of communities. Innovation and technology. The construction of tracks is also linked to innovation and technological development. New construction techniques, advanced materials, and improved signaling systems have enabled the creation of more durable and safer tracks. The implementation of technologies such as automatic train control and predictive maintenance is also transforming how railway infrastructures are managed. Resilience and adaptability. Railway infrastructure must be able to withstand the challenges of climate change and other natural disasters. The planning and construction of tracks must consider factors such as flooding, landslides, and extreme weather conditions, ensuring that the railway system is resilient and adaptable. This is essential to guarantee service continuity and the safety of passengers and cargo.